Hi, this is Andy Filipiuk in Toronto for the week of October the 22nd. The financial markets continue to sell off quite heavily on a number of possible reasons, but one may be that the global economy is slowing much faster than anybody can believe. Now, I focused clients' concerns on what's mainly happening in Europe with the banking problems there, Turkey, etc. But one big problem is China. And this past week on CNBC, we saw a fantastic interview with Kyle Bass. Now, Bass is a hedge fund manager that made over $1 billion shorting the housing market 10 years ago. He wasn't in the movie The Big Short, but his story could easily have been because it was very interesting to follow. Anyway, Bass points out that China is now the weakest it's been in 17 years. It's gone from being a net importer of capital to a net exporter of capital. And this is a very difficult problem for China because Bass believes that they need more capital because their problems are structural in nature. Now, the one thing with China, because it's been an export-driven economy, it has had a peg or a soft peg to the US dollar. But the problem is, in the domestic economy, China has created 40 to 50 trillion dollars worth of yuan. So they've grown the supply of their domestic currency dramatically, while their US dollars have been going out the door. So this peg is the ultimate mechanism to watch because it's going to be very difficult for China to maintain this. Now, they have lowered rates a full percentage point in the last month in an effort to try to reflate their domestic economy, which puts even more pressure on this peg. Now, two things that Bass mentioned just in concluding is that back in November 2016, when China brought in their new capital control rules, he claims that US multinationals were stopped from moving their US dollars out of the country. And then he claims that Jack Ma, the former CEO of Alibaba, was forced to sign over ownership of his company to 5 unnamed sources. So capital controls are potentially the worst thing because in an effort to keep money from leaving your country, you just scare future dollars or future currencies from coming to your country. So this is a very big problem. We'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.